Traditional conference room setups don't empower the seamless connectivity, flexibility, and collaboration today's end users need. Before today, AV over IP setups haven't been considered as an answer to this challenge. That's about to change. Introducing the sleek, durable, and reliable Mimo Myst Link, the first Ethernet-connected conference room display with HDMI capture. The Myst Link connects over a single Ethernet cable, eliminating expensive traditional installation, expansive technical expertise, and the hassle of abundant cords, extenders, and hubs. The solution is flexible enough for use anywhere and is recognized by PCs as a regular display, maximizing space without multiplying complexity. It utilizes a touch display specifically tailored for conferencing, features a multi-touch capacitive touchscreen, and offers integrated HDMI capture to boost productivity. The solution's Cat5e connection to the main PC includes power and doesn't consume HDMI. The Myst Link complies with Microsoft and Zoom specifications and includes support for low power modes with auto wake-up. A high-end, low-profile design combined with desktop and wall mounting capabilities and enterprise-level reliability testing mean the Myst Link is ready to elevate your space from day one. Empowered connection. Reimagine your conference room.